Hello there.
This is the craziest LEGO minifigure mix match ever, and it's about to get freaking wild. Today, we got two little brick bodies ready for what is coming. One's gonna win and one's gonna spin. Oh yeah, right into the belly of the Rancor. Yeah. Let's go, YouTube. Okay guys, this is the first match and it will be insane. In this corner we have the chosen one, Darth Vader. And here we got Excalibur. And guess what? We are gonna smash them together into one totally crazy minifigure. Who knows what this is gonna look like, what is happening right now. We got Serpentine Vader, totally ready to command the Death Star. I think we got a winner and it's definitely Vader the Snake, because Darth Excalibur, he got the Force, he got the fan, and he says, join the dark side. But it's not enough. For the second match we got Jar Jar Binks and the Groomer. This might be our weirdest combo yet. Introducing Jar Jar the Groom, he's ready to say I do. And the Groomer, he just became a homeless that just stole a fancy hat.
So it's not enough, you look.
The galaxy may be confused, but we have a winner.
Jar Jar Binks, marry you, Prince. What?
The next contenders are Exploding Creeper and the three alien Groot. Oh my god.
I am Groot.
No. Creeper Groot. And of course, you are the winner. Just eat him. Let's put here Creeper Groot with the winner and let's move on. We have here Ernesto de la Cruz and a Stormtrooper. You were waiting for that boom, right? It's okay, let's do it again. I have zero idea what's happening right now. We have the newest member of the Galactic Mariachi band, El Blasterito. He may miss every shot, but he never missed a beat. Oh no, Ernesto, why you don't use your blaster? This one is pretty cool. But you know what is more cool? The next two minifigures. The villager from Minecraft and the legendary Wolfpack Beastmaster. What we have here, the villager Beastmaster, he got the armor, maybe the gold, but we are sure he doesn't have the beard. And that's why you lose. And this holding guy just looked like he escaped from the asylum. I know you all will hate me, but he is the winner. What are you doing here again, Rancor? Next one is comedy. It's a match between the cheerful Oswald the Lucky Rabbit and the spooky Vampire Knight. That's pure LEGO cinema. And we have Osblad, Draco Rabbit, or Count Oswaldula, a vampire body with a cartoon rabbit head. And this little guy, I don't know his name, so let me know in the comment how should we name him. And the last mixed match is so wild. Even the multiverse say, what is this? The giant titan Thanos and the alien tourist? You need to be careful with the infinity. Say no more, the winner is this tiny arms alien, and this muscle titan tourist just looking for the gift shop need to face the Rancor. He's also a winner. And that's it. The battles are over, the bricks have settled, and our champions are standing proud. Who is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and get ready, cause the next round is gonna be even crazier. And let's not forget our glorious loser. They may have lost the battle, but they won our hearts. You tried, you failed. See you in the rematch, maybe.
No. I am your father.
Guys, we finally hit 1000 subscribers. Thank you for all your support. I will upload a special video. We will finish the Twin Towers. We will upgrade the military base, like I promised. Also, we are upgrading the elephant, a hiking mountain, and a city park for all my citizens. I will be making more than 10 requests of you guys. So don't forget to comment and subscribe. Turn on the notification for this special video of my subscribers' LEGO City. In this area we are doing more skyscrapers. It will be the second phase of the LEGO City. We will expand the LEGO City. It will be bigger, nice and colorful, so we can welcome new citizens and new subscribers. Wait a minute, is that an alien UFO? Wow, my subscribers have really good ideas. So you are the one who is making the content, and don't forget that this is your LEGO City.